The Bahamas is shutting down.
My grandfather's just been infected. Whew. This is crazy.
I know,
I know that you're curious, I know that you're strong, but life can be furious and things can go wrong. You go, we're better off tomorrow, but who knows if we get joy or sorrow.
Life on Earth may seem unpredictable and unfair. Our lives are ruled by forces of chance and coincidence. The same chances and coincidences that create our memories, the good and the bad.
Okay, we are going to see the swimming pigs over in Big Beach. Alright, we're off. This bay. But we're going over to that beach. Here, piggy! Come here! Hi there, piggy. Hi there, piggy. Hi, guys.
These are big ones, too.
Oh, wait until this guy.
Yeah, I don't think you guys wanted oatmeal.
You want to go swimming? Come on. Come on.
Look. Oh, maybe we
Come on.
I'll stop pigs.
Hi. Hi. You're nosy. Sleepy. Looks fine. I think he's sad. Wanna go for a walk? Alright. Okay. That was rough. Oh, okay.
Good ones. Thank you. Good one.
So, we're on our way to Little Bay, which is on Great
Guana Key.
yeah, a little south of Black Point. And we're experiencing heavier winds than usual. We've been so lucky for the past 2 weeks, but not too bad. All in all, doing 6 to 7 knots, and we're not going too far.
A memory of happiness has the power of being a moment of relief. All we can do is be grateful.
I made an old man. I said, tell me your story.
been at? So we're just on the south side of Black Point settlement, which is on Great Guana Key, and we're gonna do some exploring on land.
He took out a notepad and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote.
I'm not sure if you can hear us right now, but
It's a little windy.
I think we have a little bit of wind.
It said, son, when you grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers, and you'll find what you've got. I met a young man searching for glory. I took out a notepad and wrote in my story. Then I kept walking on down the road. When your time is up, it's time to go. I pray he reads what's on the note. It takes to heart what I wrote.
Okay, so I'm just finishing up dishes now, and Therese is sailing us away. We're going over to Black Point Settlement. She just pulled anchor. We did a bunch of chores today. Here's our laundry. Should make it really dry by the time we get there. Here's
Hopefully
Therese.
we don't get too much splash, which the weather is pretty calm today, so I sort of chanced it. We did have to tack through this whole mooring field because, as you know, we're doing a solidarity thing and not using our engine because, well, the Intrepid can't.
I was like, killed the sail back here, and we drifted almost to you guys. I was like, just drop the anchor, maybe it's gonna take us that way. I didn't know.
Yeah,
And so I just started running the color in here because I was like, we can't, our charts are dumb.
channel is like all the way along the shore.
Well, in times of stress, I feel like we are almost doing the best. So we're in Black Point. We're gonna try to find some Wi-Fi. Maybe, well, I did laundry today, but maybe some groceries too. The last thing we need before we go down south. I'm gonna stop by Georgetown, but other than that, we're gonna try to go down to remote islands.
It's good. You know what I just found out though? The Bahamas is shutting down. 9 o'clock curfews. That restaurant over there has to shut down. Can't have his doors even open past 5. Otherwise, like, he's only allowed to, he's not even allowed to sell anything.
Wow.
The grocery stores now can't have more than 2 people in them at a time. Yeah. And he does propane, so I might try to pump this water out real quick and then run that propane bottle over there and have it by the morning.
Yeah, that would be good.
Might be survival mode. Water world.
Bring it on.
Be nice if we had a
Can't
bigger
do
income
anything
here. We
else.
might have to trade the boat for a smaller boat, but here we are.
Yeah, no, well, see how long it lasts, I guess.
Yes. It's only 4 cases in the Bahamas and they shut it down.
Well, then it won't reach us. So. Okay. Where are we? Black Point. Try to get our propane filled and all this stuff. Didn't get that done really. Even after this lockdown, on top of that, it was Saturday and things closed early. And yeah, I don't know. My grandfather's just been infected. It's in the hospital, so that's a little tough being halfway around the world. Not that I could have visited him anyways, but definitely on my mind. So I'm gonna think, pray, drink, and see what helps the best.
Sometimes you aren't prepared for what's next. The more unpredictable the world is, the more we rely on predictions. Promises, politicians, doctors, forecasts, probability. Life is no different than the weather. Not only is it unpredictable, but it shows us a new perspective of the world every day.
We are just about to leave the anchorage outside of Black Point Settlement. And this place was really cool, actually. We went over to Emerald Sunset Bar and Grill, I guess is the name of it. Pretty cool place. They had water right to the dock, which was pretty convenient for us, which we needed to fill up. We bought a couple beers off of him as, I guess, as tribute to his free water. And yeah, I guess they've shut down churches too. Any place where people can gather, they've shut it down. And there's a huge fine if you intend to break those laws. So it's a weird place. We're in a weird environment right now, but at least we do have a boat to keep us isolated and quarantined on, and we're able to do some fishing, which will let us survive a few more weeks. We got water, now we're good. Now we can take off.
I'm currently canceling my flight out of here. Wedding we were supposed to go to in May has been postponed. So just cancel my flight to Norway in May too, and then we'll just see how long we have to stay here, because I think they're closing these borders in the States as well. So we're pretty much stuck for a little bit. We are currently sailing out of Black Point, Anchorage. What you doing?
I'm getting water out of my ear because I've been diving too much.
Did you have fun diving?
Is this weird?
Well, it's not really very normal.
Yeah, I've been getting food every day from diving.
That's
But
good. We need
you
you
can't dive too much.
But we need you to keep that game up, though.
Otherwise you turn into this.
We are on Great Guana Key still.
So a little
we're
more
just
south.
North of Little Farmer's Key.
So there is supposed to be a trail that leads to this, I guess, blue hole or swimming hole that you can maybe jump into. We'll see. Alex and Corey went in a little bit before us to find the trail.
could really pirate some other boats actually.
This is crazy.
I know, Mike.
I really do want to go swimming in this, but I feel like that is definitely not the...
But just swim to go with me.
Pretty sure whatever Loch Ness monster is in here will not,
There's definitely tiny monsters eating my legs.
Where are you at, little shrimpies? Eat me.
They're here.
Shrimpy, shrimpy, eat me.
Hi there.
I'm allowed to dive.
Oh, that was pretty crazy though. Wow. So deep and it goes so far. This guy though is a little sad. Why are you sad?
Because I'm uninvited.
You were invited. Why are you sad?
Because I got an ear infection and diving in the caves are not the places to go with an ear infection.
Oh, there's that. Oh yeah, it did say that there was some bats.
I've seen a few. Hello.
I'm worming my way through here. Yeah, you're kind of slow. Oh man, it's real salty here.
Stay true to that fire.
All those little lights work really well.
Whoa. That was classy. Starting to get a little cold, so good to go back into the sun. Did I tell you I'm not a runner? At some point. Yay! I feel like I did.
It's okay to change your mind. It's okay to reroute. It's okay to appreciate memories and happy moments. It's okay to laugh. Your emotions won't change the unpredictability.
Don't wish for indifference. You're not one of those. We fall, but we always rise up through it all. We get a little wiser. There's things in life you simply need to know. But sun and rain and trust in letting go. It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wondering before you make it safely to the end, the end, the end. And if you ever wonder, there is nothing wrong with